Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your own photo into a dark fairy tale style animations. It's perfect for your Halloween pose, and the best part, it's super easy and completely free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just open your Play Store and then just go ahead and install it. And once it's done, just open the app and log in using your Google account. It's quick and simple. And don't worry, Dreamface has a free plan that will give you weekly credit, so you can use this to generate both animated video and image every day. No subscription needed. And then after you log in, you will see the homepage like this. And then just tap on Magic Effect. This is where all the cool animation styles are located. And then just scroll down until you find the Dark Fairy Tales. This one, just tap on it. This one of the most popular styles right now, perfect if you want a spooky mystical vibe for Halloween. And then just tap on plus button to select your photo that you want to transform. Like this, and then after that just tap on confirm. And then when you're done, just tap on create. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, Dreamface will automatically transform your image into a dark fantasy style animations like this, like you are the main character in a haunted fairy tale. And okay, maybe that's it. You have just created your own dark fairy tale animations easily and for free. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.